Hi guys, so if iCloud drive is stuck and waiting for upload on your MacBook, then here is the fix. So the very first fix is just search activity monitor and double click to open it. Now make sure you are in the CPU tab and then search bird. Okay, now you will see the process bird, double click on it and now quit. Just click on quit and force quit, and now it will restart again when you open the iCloud drive and your problem will be fixed. Now if this also does not fix your issue, then what you can do, you can just go to your iCloud drive and the file which is giving you an issue, try to drag it to the desktop. Okay, and once it has been dragged to desktop, try to drag back again to the iCloud drive. Okay, so it will try to resync the file. Okay, now if this is also not working, then just tap on the Apple icon at the top left and click on system settings. Now tap on your name and now scroll down, tap on iCloud. Now you have to click on drive and now just turn off sync this Mac. Okay, tap on remove from Mac. Okay, done. Restart your MacBook, come back here again and again tap on sync this Mac. Okay, and it will resync and reset the process. You can also end the settings and go to general storage and see if you have free space left on your MacBook, because if your Mac storage is full, iCloud syncing error might happen. Try to delete some large files from your MacBook and free up some space. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like